Island Preserve. So yeah, they have. So you can. It's free to rent them. You just got to pay a deposit, and when you bring it back, they give you back your money.
We're at the Flat Island Preserve and got Theo to come out and hike a trail with us. And we're using his homemade sticks. Wait, if a bear comes out, you're gonna do what?
We're gonna jump and Johnny's shoulder, right?
Yeah.
So we look bigger, then we go, wow.
He said there's a wildflower. They just passed sign. The meadow sign. He said, too long to read. He'll read this sign. It's a lot smaller. In memory of John Alton Weary, designer and builder of trails, Florida Trail Association, year 2000. Can you make it?
Huh?
Can you make it?
Make where?
That walk.
Oh.
He didn't answer. Like taking candy from a baby, that's right. So which way do we go?
Head to tail.
Let's go south? The mosquitoes will land when you stop. Oh boy.
Keep walking. Siga caminando.
So who was right?
Because it's probably in the middle.
Uh-huh.
So if it's probably 1 point. No, it wouldn't be 1 point.
Ah.
That was 3.5.
Autumn leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves of red and blue. I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands I used to hold.
Oh, you probably rent them here and pick them up here. They give you a key. Oh, that makes sense.
Can you go in there?
Yeah. So it's a tiny canoe. Don't you fall in, sir. Young man.
Mira, 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 mira.
It's deep, huh?
Deep. Let's keep going.
What is that, Theo?
Los peces tirándose peo. Son los gases.
Those bubbles, he said, are the fish farting. It's their gases.
You want to get a bigger broom?
I'm going to give you guys brooms at home. You can sweep at home. All this left to sweep. Come on, boys, get to work. He still wants to sweep. Contagious.
Paddles and personal flotation device are stored in the locker.
So the paddles and the flotation
Are in
device.
there, yeah, the canoe is someplace else.
You gotta carry that sucker from the front.
There you go.
That's a long freaking hike, man.
That's a long
See what I
hike.
mean?
I have an advantage to these boys in that when I feel a mosquito coming at me, I just do what the horses taught me to do. And I shake my tail and they come off of me.
We can either go straight back that way,
Mm-hmm.
or we can go that way and then take the next turn and take the next trail back over.
All right, which way are we going?
I don't know, how fast do you want to get out of here? Do you want to go straight home? Or do you want to continue?
Let's ask Theo, our elder. You want to take the long route or the short route?
Long route or the short route?
Well,
Long route?
the most interesting place we went was to see the kayak, right? I mean,
Right, that was
and we didn't fit in there, so we had to come back. So let's take the shortcut.
Okay.
It's absolutely beautiful out here. We've walked 1.83 miles.
A little more than that.
Poppy's, a little more than that. Poppy's eating food from the tree? Don't do that.
Mira que nepa.
No, not a quenepa. But it's something. When you start eating from the trees, it's dangerous out here.
It's not bad. Not bad.
Oh boy,
I mean, I didn't eat the outside.
the influence.
Outside's dry. ¿Saben a quenepa?
You think so?
Yeah. American quenepas.
These guys are
We're
crazy.
in the hospital right over here, right? UF.
Yo nací en Puerto Rico. Fajardo mi cuna fue. El mar Caribe fue piscina. Los dio comida también. Las palmas fueron sombrillas. Abanico en el atardecer. El sol se acuesta en la montaña. Sus rayos tocan el anochecer. Todo oscurece. Claro y oscuro tus ojos ven. Luces del cucubano y las estrellas también. El sonido de las palmas cuando el viento le da. El sonido de las olas cuando a la orilla tocan. El canto del coquí y el grillo que oye alrededor. El sapo con su bajo los acompaña también. La luna se levanta, el mar Caribe su espejo es. ¿Qué sonido de instrumento? ¿Qué concierto natural la playa de Fajardo me da? Yo nací en Puerto Rico, Fajardo mi cuna fue. El mar Caribe fue piscina, los dio comida también. Ahora, eso es recuerdo del ayer. Rupa, espérate. Ajá.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. You sound great.
Well, thank you very much. How are y'all doing today?
Good, thank you.
You've come to the right place.
Yes, sir. I think so.
Go. It's stuck.
If you go face first, I'm gonna die. Give him your headsets. Por si acaso. He's holding on to the branch. You did it, you did it.
There you go. Slowly push para abajo. There you go. There you go. Well, push it with the foot. There you go. Push there. Push. 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 Keep going now.
Good job, sir. Good job.
All flowers in black pots $1. Those little ones. There's Jack. Hello, Jack.
Well, that little red car up there just kicked up a piece of metal and it hit our truck while we're driving. Ooh.
Well, we're on the interstate, and a piece of metal hit here, hit there, and smashed the windshield all the way up. Windshield was actually the glass is all the way shattered inside. Totally smashed. Layla's gonna have to go get some repairs. We were so busy driving and we decided, oh, let's stop at a racetrack to get gas because we forgot to get gas. And oh, look, just as we pulled into the gas station, dong, 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 fuel level low.